1.11 Admiralty Charts. This section introduces Admiralty charts, explaining their importance as alternative maps for maritime navigation. The first is coastline. The boundary of a coast where land meets water is called the coastline. Wave tides and currents help create coastlines. When the waves crash onto shore, they wear away at or erode the land, but they also leave behind little parts of a sea such as shells, sand dollars, seaweeds, and hermit crabs. So next is the seafloor features. Seafloor features the slope bottom of the ocean that extends from continental shelf down to the deep ocean bottom. Mountain range on the ocean floor where magma upwells and new ocean floor is formed. A mountain rising from the seafloor does not reach above the surface of the water, usually formed from volcanoes. So next is navigational aids. So the example of a navigational aid is a buoy system on a waterway typically serves to mark navigation channels, hazards, and provide other essential information for boaters. These buoys can be categorized into different types such as channels, markers, lateral marks, and cardinal markers, which each conveying specific information to ensure safe navigation. The color, shape, and markings on the buoys follow the international standards set by the International Association of Lighthouse Authorities or IALA. Next is the 1.12, the chart title. The chart title is vital as it tells mariners that specific area covered by the chart. Understanding how to interpret the title is essential for choosing the correct chart for a voyage. Next is 1.13, chart number. The chart number is a unique identifier for each Admiralty chart. Knowing how to locate and use this number is crucial for ordering and referencing charts.
1.14 1.14 is all about projection and scale. Projection and scale information helps mariners understand how distance and angles are represented on the chart. It's essential for accurate navigation and measurement. 1.15 1.15 is all about meridians and parallels. This section discusses how meridians or lines of longitude and parallels or lines of latitude are depicted on Admiralty charts. Understanding this grid system aids in determining positions. 1.16 Chart symbols and abbreviation. Admiralty charts are rich in symbols and abbreviation that convey information about the seabed, navigation aids, and other features. This part delves into some of these important symbols and their meanings.
1.17 Chart marginal information. This margin of Admiralty chart contains vulnerable information such as tidal data, chart corrections, and source of informations. Understanding this data helps mariners plan their voyage effectively. So next one is 1.18 markings. The last. This section deals with various markings on Admiralty charts, which can include deep sounding, rakes, rocks, and navigation aids. Recognize interpreting this marking is fundamental for safe navigation.